Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Born Pretty haul for you guys. So they actually sent me a $30 Christmas gift card for their shop. So I went ahead and used it, and then I picked up a few extra things. So like anything over you just paid for, which with Born Pretty it's not too expensive. So I just picked out really what I wanted. So first I'm gonna start with the stickers actually. I got a bundle. And I was gonna get a whole bunch of these individually, and then they had a bundle, which is also a discount, so it's like, duh. But I'm obsessed. Like, I think actually some of these have to go on my nails. I've been trying to figure out what I want to do on them, because like I have an idea, but I didn't like fully know. So I'm probably using these. And then I picked actually up a lot of Halloween ones, but I thought these would be kind of cool for Valentine's Day as well. So I really like that too. And then I got these guys, which again, Halloween horror type stickers. These I thought were so stinking cute, which I thought also I could use, like especially that one for Valentine's Day. And what I like about these stickers is that they have some larger ones on it. Because I think I said in one of my other videos I think it was my Maniology haul, that some of their photos on the plates are larger so I can make it a feature nail. And that's what I want to do. But like, look at that guy. Like, he would take up my nail and it would look amazing. Ooh, and I got so many ideas going through my head now. Okay, I got ideas now, finally. And again, some more pink Halloween stuff. So I got 4 Halloween and 2 Christmas in my little pack. Okay, starting off with the blue one. Now I think I have 2 of the same, so I'm gonna open these 2 together. I would consider those the same. So what I'm gonna do is dump it in one. And that is the purple one. Next up is a gold one. So pretty. Here is a pink one. Almost dropped it. Last but not least, the black one. These are the ones that I got. Something tells me I added, I think there's supposed to be 6, so I added 2 of the purple by mistake. So I don't know what the 6th color was, but that's okay. These are still beautiful. These are also flash glitters, but they are in more of your pastel colors. Green. Blue. This I think is actually pigment, not glitter. So I think the other ones were actually glitter, and this is pigment. Oh yeah. So you can see on the cap there. So this will be substantially finer. This would actually be really cool to use if you don't want to add a lot of bulk, but you add something really nifty. Ooh, this yellow one's pretty. This will be pretty for summer. I love this orangey coral. Clearly, I hit the flash glitter jackpot, and then these stickers are literally perfect for me and my style. I love them so much. So again, I want to thank Born Pretty for sending me that $30 gift certificate, and again, I paid for the extra that some of it costs. I will make sure to link these below along with like the different sections, because like the powders are one, glitters, and then the stamp set. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.